Our next inductee lives far away from Arizona. She was born and raised in a place called South Kona. Now, to the Hawaiian Islands we take ya. Congratulations to
Jamaica, Jamaica! Hey!
She grew up in a home her parents were building as a kid, on the island, so she felt like they lived off the grid. She enjoys a simple life on the Hawaiian shores and can often be found exploring thrift stores. On a hunt for some goods or on a bargain search, she's a woman of God and loves going to church. Raising 3 awesome children with God as her guide and her husband named Mexico always by her side. Her children are Leilani, Lilikoi, and Kane. They have taken up golf and their skills are insane. Before Jamaica learned all of her loan sales knowledge, she was #1 in sales at Domino's Pizza in college. She is always looking for a new opportunity to serve and help others who live in her community. Her dream is to open a community center one day to help local people to live, work, and play. Her love for serving others is a strong force in her life, to be a loving friend, leader, mother, and wife. So now we must say,
Jamaica, ooh, I wanna.
Thank you for being part of our VIP Ohana. Congratulations, Jamaica.